Let's solve this problem in today's class. All right, we can further break this one down by saying, let's use this to open the brackets. We can also break it down to be this into bracket 3x into bracket 3x minus tan x. If you should expand the bracket, if you should open the bracket, if you use this one to open the bracket, this is what we have. Okay, now we are told that x tends to what? Pi over 4. So let's substitute pi over 4 direct into this. We have what? Let's replace this x with pi over 4. We're told that x tends to pi over 4. So let's replace this x with pi over 4. That will be what? 3 times pi over 4. 3 times, because x is pi over 4, that is 3 times pi over 4. That will be what? 3 pi over 4. Okay? Minus. Now, if we should replace x here with pi over 4, we'll be left with what? Tan pi over 4. Okay? This will be 3 pi over 4 minus. Now, what is pi? What is pi? Pi means 180. So if you say 180 divided by 4, that will be what? Tan 45. 45. 180 over 4 is 45. So what is tan 45? This will be 3 pi over 4 minus tan 45 is the same thing as 1. It's the same thing as 1. So this is our correct answer. Watch my video for more and share with your friends. Thank you for